Hey guys, let's update you on the weekly chart. The video I shared yesterday, where we were talking about the crucial Nifty level of 470, around 470. Um, as expected, the weekly candle is closing above that resistance line, which has been a solid resistance since at least December of last year. As you can see, we are trading around 17,590, and the target, I'm reaffirming the target of 18,300 in the coming weeks for Nifty. All right. So don't say I didn't warn you. The DAX has been helping the Nifty being bullish. The Bank Nifty also gave us a breakout today. And I've shared my views on that in another video today already posted. So do check that out and let me know if you have any questions. Good luck. And we are going up, guys. So be ready. Take care. Bye.